So today, good morning first of all, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning, good morning. So yes, good morning. So today we are going to revise the chapter that we have done already. That is phrasal verbs. Okay. So one more time so that I can understand that whether you have completely understood the chapter or not. Okay. If in case you have any problem, you can ask me. Right. So
Ma'am, I
let
just
us.
revised also.
Very good. Those who have revised and those who have.
Ma'am, phrasal verbs are combined words, ma'am.
Yes,
Combination of
yes,
words.
combination. Yes. So we will revise it once again. Preposition and adverbs and verbs. Yes, that's correct. So we will revise it one more time today. Okay. So uh, we'll wait for just for one more minute. Okay. For if anybody wants to join in.
Yes, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay. So right now I'm going to share the screen and then please keep your videos on so that I can see from the other camera that you all are doing it. As I can see, many of you have switched it off. Please don't do that. Okay, so let us revise the chapter that we have done earlier, phrasal verbs. Okay, ready with it?
Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as it is written over here, and I have already explained it to you, that what are phrasal verbs? These are the combination of verb, preposition, or a verb and an adverb. Okay. So when we use to see any phrasal verb, they are generally in groups. Okay. More than one. Okay. So there are mostly more than one word in a phrasal verb. So we know that it's a combination of preposition, verb, or adverb. Okay, separately they have a different meaning, but when they are put together, then they give a different meaning. For example, if I say put means to place or set. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if I say on, so on is it's first of all it's a preposition. We know that, and you know that it is a combination of preposition. So on is a kind of it's a preposition, and that expresses the situation when something is positioned above something else. Okay, something is placed above something else or any surface. Okay, above any surface. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now these two have a different meaning, but when we take these two words together, like if we say put on, then it gives a different meaning. That means to wear. Getting it? To wear it onto your body. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, okay. So for example, uh, she put on too much makeup.
Oh,
Getting it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
I I put on weight. I put on weight when I went away to college. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what it shows, that when the words are separate they were giving a different meaning, but when I put it together it is giving a different meaning. So this is what actually phrasal verbs are. Understood clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us see what all things are there in the exercises. So now that, please mute your audios. There is kind of a disturbance going on. Please. Okay. Now exercise A, we have already done it in the previously. Okay, in the last class we have already done it. So everyone understood all the phrasal verbs that are used in this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So if I say looking forward, ठीक है? So looking forward, if you want to write in your book, please write it, so that in case if you are not sure with the meaning, you can uh, recall it later on. Okay, you can just see the meanings that are written in the book, and then you can do it in your for doing for your revision. Okay, so write that is something excited that is going to happen, looking forward, or means to be very pleased. Okay, to pleased or to be very excited. To be excited, that is going to happen. That is going to happen. Okay, that is looking forward. Got it? Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No problem. No, ma'am.
Okay, now watch out. Watch out
No, ma'am.
means, okay, watch out means to be careful. Everyone please write it in your book. Okay, the way I am writing, everyone must be having a book right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please write it down in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, book. Sorry, grammar book. Okay, not notebook. In your grammar book with a pencil, so that when you are revising the chapter, all the meanings of the words of these phrasal verbs are written over there, so you can easily recall during the exam. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is turn on. Okay. Turn on is mean to switch on. ठीक है? Switch on. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, turn on to means to switch on to,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, and then one more thing, that is we're finding very exciting. Okay, um, okay, something very exciting, something you arising your curiosity. Okay, so clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Clear.
any problem till here?
No, ma'am.
Now next one is written. Next. Okay. Okay. Please mute your audios. So get away means an escape, to escape, especially after committing any crime. जिसे कहते हैं ना हिंदी में रफू चक्कर बच के निकल जाना, ठीक है, दैट इज गेट अवे. ओके, to escape.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear. This much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is cut out. I hope everyone is understanding, and please let me know if anything is not clear. Okay, cut out here is it means to stop doing or to stop saying something that is very annoying or offensive.
Cut out means?
Okay, cut out means to just stop doing something or saying something. To stop. Just a moment. To stop doing or saying something. Yes. Okay, doing or saying something.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Made up is that is, I think it's made up means to resolve something. I think it's written over here, here, to resolve the differences, है ना? Made up means to resolve differences, to patch up. ठीक है, किसी से दोस्ती कर लेना. Okay,
Ma'am, to sort out.
to sort out, that is also correct. ठीक है, yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is came across, you find them or to meet them by chance. Meeting by chance. Yes, meeting by chance. By chance, yes. किसी से अचानक से मिल जाना. Okay, that is you came across. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is laid down. Okay, laid down is here we use it for to put away, to stop means sacrifice, kind of a sacrifice. Okay,
Ma'am,
yes. Committed. Okay, committed, or you are very much sometimes it is a horizontal position. I want to say that also. Laid down means to the horizontal position sometimes. Okay, and when it is in the sense of for any person, then it is doing a job very in a committed way, performing any job in a committed way. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा commitment के साथ. Okay, clear? Like here when it is written that soldiers are laying down their life, that means they are sacrificing their life for the country. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
clear this much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then give up, to stop trying to do something.
Ma'am, like lose hope.
Huh. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now hand over means to transferring your power or control to from one person to the other. Okay, transferring your power.
Ma'am, like Ashoka hand over his
control to the other person. Like if teacher is leaving a class and the teacher says that I'm leaving the class, monitor please take care of the class, that means he's handing over the class to you. Okay, that means
And like Ashoka has handed over his kingdom to his son.
correct, correct. Okay, clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
now
ma'am.
while revising these exercises, you will be able to understand what all these phrasal verbs means.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, then next is this exercise is very important. So for this I have given you the work to write the sentences. If you have written it on your own, that's good, but it's written. So I'm going to going to give the answers for those who have not written or they are confused. They can match it with theirs. So if there is any problem, then they can ask me. Okay.
Ma'am, but my statements are different in sentences.
Nahi, breakdown means to collapse. Okay, meaning is written over here. See, read the following phrasal verbs and their meanings are written over here. Okay, what do you have to use? Then use them in your sentences of your own. So if those who have written the sentence, it's okay. Those who have not, I'm writing it down. Uh, you can write it in your notebook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Chalo.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So write. Uh, the bus broke down while going to Shimla. Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then breakout. What does it mean?
Ma'am, begin. Ma'am, begin.
So breakout meaning is to begin. So she needs.
And when I say police, when the police saw police, he started break out from
That is also correct. Yes, correct. So I'll write several.
When the cat saw when the cat saw a girl, he started.
Several people broke out their journey from the. Broke out is the past for participle. Na breakout is also correct. Broke out is also correct. Okay. So several people broke out their journey from the scratch. Okay. Scratch means when they were not having anything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They began from the scratch. So scratch here means when they were not having anything and they started from there and now they have success. They are successful people in their life. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So pull down means to demolish. Demolish. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Demolish or to destroy. Easy meaning is destroy. Okay. Something to destroy. Everyone knows what destroy means.
Yes, ma'am.
To hunt down, to reduce, to hunt down, to reduce. Okay. Yes, that is correct.
Ma'am, they pull down. the topic is global warming in the news, that is I will tell that pollution is destroying our earth.
No, okay, that is also correct. One more sentence I am writing. A small crowd.
Ma'am, they pull down the house because they have to make
A small yes, a small crowd attempted. A small crowd attempted. I hope you all are writing. If those who have not written, okay. A small okay, a small crowd attempted to pull down a statue. To pull down a statue. ठीक है? Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
No, ma'am.
So here next is put aside, which means to save. Okay. I
Ma'am,
sorry.
ma'am, they put aside their money.
Correct. I have some money. I'm writing this sentence in a different way. I have some money.
You can say that I have put aside enough money to buy a car.
Correct. I have some money put aside. That is also correct. Okay. Or if you are using this sentence in other way, that is also correct. Okay. I'll be checking your copy so that whatever you have written, I'll get to know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next is put off. Put off means to delay or to move or to postpone. Okay. Any activity later on.
Exams are
Postpone. The meeting has been
put off because of corona.
Yes. ठीक है. Been put off. I'm writing this. You just check it on. Okay. The meeting has been put off for a week. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Then next is run away. Run away to means to flee. Correct. Okay, run away means to flee, to just get away from there. Okay, so he the thief ran away from. That is also correct.
Say that the thief ran away when he saw the police.
That is also correct. So he ran away. Okay, I am writing another sentence. He ran away from home when he was when he was only 10. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that means he ran away from home when he was only 10. Okay. Then run into. Okay, that means meeting someone by chance. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so run into to get some collided or something happened by chance. Okay.
Life gets better not by chance. It gets better by change.
Yes, but listen, you don't have to use these words in your sentence. You have to use the phrasal verbs that are given this side. If you can see, I'm using these words. Okay, phrasal verbs in my sentences. You don't have to use the meaning. Okay, so he a passing car lost control and ran into and ran into a lamp post. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any, any problem till here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. Next one is, okay.
Over the bridge.
Sorry, huh. So, it's next is run over.
Ma'am, run over the bridge.
So, run over.
We run over.
Yes, to hit, to drive over something, or to hit by something, or to crash into something. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
So, a poor puppy,
Yes, ma'am.
a poor puppy was run over by a car. Run over by a car outside my house. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So all these sentences, the sentences I have written, the usage I have written. So in case you have any problem in any of these sentences, you can ask me. Okay, and I hope that the sentences that you have written are also correct. I'm going to check it out while checking the PDFs. Okay, and yes, this exercise, read the following, pick the correct phrasal verbs and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences.
Ma'am,
So,
I have done this.
you all have understood these phrasal verbs?
Yes, ma'am. We have completed.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Any problem in any of these phrasal verbs? Exercise C?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No problem. No, ma'am.
Okay. Any problem in these exercises in these phrasal verbs, which is in
No, ma'am.
exercise
No,
number
ma'am.
D. This one
No,
you have
ma'am.
understood
No, ma'am.
because their meanings are written over here.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the first one to set up is to establish.
Then the D part also.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, that's it. So this one we also have done previously. So exercise E also we have done. Any problem in exercise E?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now I'll be sending you a few phrasal verbs. Okay, that you are going to uh, you are going to write the meaning and a sentence using it. Okay, on your
Okay,
own.
ma'am.
On your own.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down. You have to write it down. I'll be sending it in a form of PDF also, and you can write it down right now also. And I'm going to share the and a video also that you are going to if in case you are not sure with the any of the phrasal verbs and its meaning, the video that I have just recorded of our class. So in case you want to revise anything, you want to understand, you can watch the video on YouTube channel also. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 phrasal verbs right now, out of which you are going to make the meaning. Okay, so it's written, exercise D is written over here. You can see over here. Their meanings are written over here. Yes, set up means to establish, set out means to begin the journey, backup means to support, put aside means to save, let off means to excused. Right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And then now you have to, okay, now you have to use them, use these phrasal verbs in your own sentences. Getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
which is not written over here in the question, but you have to use it. Okay, so that I'll get to know whether you have understood the meaning of these phrasal verbs correctly or not. Okay, any problem? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Any
No, ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just coming back to the camera now.